In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how much money I've made doing YouTube. So you're probably wondering, if you've watched this video early on, how has he made any money on YouTube? He doesn't even have 1,000 subscribers yet. That's a good question, because it's true. I have about 788 subscribers right now on this channel. I have enough watch time. I have over 4,000 hours of watch time this year, but I am still trying to get that 1,000 subscribers milestone, which is where you can monetize your channel if you're accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. But some of you may not know, I do have another channel, one that I started or have been working on for a little longer than this channel that I do with my wife. And I thought it would be interesting to show you the analytics of that channel so you can see how much money I've made, and I can talk to you a little bit about my strategies or the techniques that I've employed to get to where I am on that channel, and how I'm getting this channel to grow the way it is right now. And maybe I'll also throw in a little bit of extra ways you can make money on YouTube that are interesting that you probably haven't thought of before. So to get started, I think I'll pull up my analytics here for you so you can see exactly what's going on. Okay, so here we are on my dashboard, and you can see just a recent video I did for a friend, kind of not the norm for that channel. What my wife and I do on this channel, you can see it's called Zach and Caitlin. We make videos that are primarily around challenges. We started this channel just documenting our adventures. So whenever we go on trips like Yellowstone, I do have a couple random videos here and there, but ever since this channel started growing, which really took off, let me see if I can find the video for you, when we started doing challenge videos. So as you can see back here, top 10 couples challenges to try and quarantine, 67,000 views. That is our highest viewed video to date. And we're like, wow, these challenge videos really tend to take off. So we started doing more challenge videos. We got 50,000 views on this picnic table challenge tutorial. And we decided that's more of our niche that we want to go for, since it has brought the most attention to our channel. So we still do, the fun videos that we've wanted to do for ourselves, but looking at it from more of a business standpoint, we've started pivoting towards making challenge videos. So that's what we do on this main channel of ours. So let me go to analytics. And we're actually slowing down a bit. So I've been focusing more on this channel you're watching now. I need to make some more challenge videos for that channel to keep it going. But definitely the views and the money that you can make ebbs and flows. So let me show you when we first got monetized. We'll look at the revenue. So if I go up here, instead of the last 28 days, we'll do the last 365 days. And you can see that so far we've made $244, which really is just all, the cherry on top for us, because we didn't start this channel thinking it would become a business necessarily. It was just something that I've done as a hobby, that I've done for fun. It's something I've wanted to do for a long time. I've been doing YouTube since I was in like 8th grade, so it's been over a decade now. So obviously it's crossed my mind that, eventually I might want to monetize. And so we have. So by no means are we experts, but it's interesting to see that even from a small channel where, it's not the perfect small business, we haven't worked on it as a business, you can still make some extra money. And $240 isn't bad just for, getting paid to do a hobby. So the first month, I think it was about $70 or so that we got, and it hasn't been too much. Like, as you can see, every day it's like $2 or so as we go through the timeline here, and it has started to slow down to where you can see when we were back in that last 28 days tab that it's about $53 this month. So not a lot, but obviously better than nothing, and we're really happy about it. I will say too that once you're monetized, so once you hit that 1,000 subscriber threshold and the 4,000 hours of watch time annually, and you get admitted into the YouTube Partner Program, that takes a little bit of time for them to approve your channel. They'll send out a paycheck once you hit the $100 mark. So you won't get paid until you at least hit that threshold. And then I think, I'm not sure how often they pay, just because I don't get paid regularly since it takes me a while to hit that threshold of $100, but at least once a month you can expect that pay if you're hitting that. Now, I will say that the other way that I've made money from YouTube, going to my channel now, So you can see this is my channel dashboard. We're getting close. If you go to my content, and I've been debating whether or not I want to make these videos private, just because it has nothing to do with what I'm currently doing on YouTube. But if you go way back in time, when I was in high school, I made a bunch of parkour and free running videos because I thought that was fun. And some of these were pretty embarrassing and dumb. A lot of fails that we recorded here. So you can see there's a gainer fail. I tried to do like a backflip off of an exercise ball in the sand on a beach. But what happened is that video actually got picked up by Fail Army, which is a super big channel on YouTube. They saw it and they wanted to include it in their compilation, so they bought the rights to use my clip. And that was like $100. And this happened to me several times, from anywhere from $100 to $200, that different things such as ridiculousness on MTV. I know that one's crazy. Never expected to be reached out to by them, but they licensed a couple clips from me, and so I ended up making about $1,000 just selling the dumb clips I did, you know, in high school. And so that was awesome. That wasn't even anything on my part. They saw mine and reached out to me. And so that's obviously a unique circumstance. You might not be in a situation where you're doing something extreme that could find yourself making some extra money from these companies that do fails, but you never know. There are other ways besides just being monetized on YouTube, such as you've heard of affiliate marketing, I'm sure. So a couple ways that you can make an extra buck using YouTube as your platform. I will say though, if you do content like parkour or more extreme things, depending on how YouTube views that as you know, dangerous content or whatnot, that might not be as suitable for advertisers once you do get monetized. So it's something to consider. What kind of content are you making? Is it very ad friendly? Because sometimes advertisers don't want to be associated with certain content if it's more dangerous or explicit, things like that. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so going back to my channel dashboard, we can look at my analytics as well on this channel. There's not a revenue tab because I'm not making any money yet since I haven't joined the YouTube Partner Program with this, my personal channel. But you can see that my views are going up, my watch time's going up. I actually almost have 1,000 hours of watch time from this month, which is awesome because you need 4,000 hours of watch time in a whole year to be at the point you need to be to enter the partner program. And we've got over 100 subscribers this month as well, which is super cool. So I think in the next 2 months, I should be getting monetized on this channel. If it grows the way that it is continually, it should be making more money or doing better than that first channel that I showed you. And obviously, you know, it's not just about money. I've always loved making videos and making content. But it is nice, especially I'm still in college and trying to make ends meet. And I know that a lot of you people that subscribe to the channel and watch my videos, thank you by the way, are in a position to make some extra money looking at those plasma videos and the DoorDash videos that I've made. And so this is just some insight into what YouTube can do for you if you decide that's a route you want to explore. So I hope this is helpful. It's not, again, to be, you know, about money or this is what, you know, I've got going on. I don't want to come across as braggy in any way, because obviously it's not like it's a ton of money, but hopefully this is informative and interesting, if nothing else. But looking at these analytics, there's also a tab you may have noticed in the YouTube studio. It's called monetization, and it'll tell you how close you are to being monetized. So as you can see here, 5,418 public watch hours. So I'm good there. No guideline strikes. I've got 2-step verification active. And then you can just see, okay, I just need 212 more subscribers to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So that's basically what it is. And then you'll basically request to be monetized. YouTube will actually send that email when you're eligible. They'll review your channel, and then you'll get your AdSense account set up to start getting paid from advertising. And then it's easy from there. You just keep making content. And the great thing about being monetized on YouTube is that on my original channel that I showed you, I'm still making money on those videos I made a long time ago. So even those initial views that I got before I was monetized, it's not like you get paid retroactively for those previous views. But as it continues to accrue views, I still get to benefit from that content that I made earlier on. So let me show you that real quick, actually. So if we go to my channel, my main channel, and then we go to analytics, we go to revenue, you can see top earning videos here. So this is just within the last 28 days, but you can see my challenge videos have made, you know, $5-10 each. And then if we go to see more, you can look at the total revenue. Let's go to just 365 days, so you can just see everything from the beginning. So my couples challenge video videos have done $60 each. And then the interesting thing is we also like to do hikes and travel videos. So we hiked to a really cool blue pool in the middle of this forest in Oregon, and that one's done $25. So that's pretty cool. So you can just get a lot of good information and do a deep dive in your analytics to learn about what works best for your channel. Not necessarily by revenue, but what's bringing in the most views, what are people interested to see, and if you create content that offers value for your viewers, then they'll keep coming back. And that's what I hope to do with this channel, is continue to make content that's informative, that gives you ideas to how to supplement your income, things like that. And I'd love to hear your feedback. If there's something that I can do better or content you would like to see on this channel that would help you, please let me know in the comments. But that's about it. So in total, I've made probably $1,200 on YouTube. Most of that was just super lucky from my original parkour videos, but moving forward, I do have monetization on one channel, and this channel is heading there, and I've made $250-ish from monetization so far in YouTube advertising. So thank you for watching. I hope that was interesting. If you, again, have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Leave a like on the video or share, subscribe, all those good things, and we'll see you in the next one.